This is how I transformed my boring resume into a Netflix style website. I reimagined every project I've worked on as its own movie with a title, a trailer, and a summary of what I've done. So instead of scrolling through bullet points, you're browsing through a streaming lineup of everything I've built. So, how did I do it? Easy. I started by telling ChatGPT of what I'm trying to do, and it did the rest for me. It came up with the title as well as the summary. Now, for the movie poster, I gave ChatGPT the original movie poster. For example, this one is Gone with the Wind. And I told it exactly what I'm trying to change. So instead of the woman, and I'm so sorry I don't know what her name is, but I will watch the movie. So instead of the lady, to change it with a bag of cash, and instead of Gone with the Wind, it's now Gone with the Charge. And then you click send. Instead of waiting for it, I already have it loaded here, and this is what it came up with. And now for the trailer, I went ahead and asked ChatGPT to help me with a prompt so I can put in Sora. If you don't know what Sora is the video generation app that OpenAI built. So it came up with a prompt, and then next I went to ChatGPT and I clicked on Sora, and then I pasted my prompt. And then all you have to do is create video. Now it's gonna take a little bit to load. Again, I have it already loaded here. So it comes up with many variations, and you can keep on editing and modifying as you like. Now in order to put all of this together, we're gonna go to V0 and we'll put in a simple prompt. I want to build a portfolio that is just like a Netflix website. And we're gonna click send. And now you are literally gonna watch the magic happen. So this is absolutely incredible. It came up with a first draft, and all I had to do from here was give it the content that I've generated, for example, the movie poster, the summary, the trailer. I uploaded it here in the chat as if I'm talking to ChatGPT, and that is pretty much it. So this is how my website looks like. Every time here I gave it different prompts like please edit the summary here, put another video, make the video faster, so on and so forth. So what literally used to take me days, I got done in a few hours. And it looks so much cooler than a static resume. So you can do the same, whether it's a Netflix style portfolio or any creative idea that you have. The tools are out there. All you need to do is just have a vision.